Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a webcam for your computer. So if you do not have webcam in your computer, or your computer's webcam is not of good quality, then you can make use of your phone so that you can have a great quality video while doing Zoom call or while doing other recording or something like that. To do this, what you have to do is you have to go to website iriun.com. I don't know the exact pronunciation. What is this? Iriun or Iriun? What is that? Anyway, iriun.com is the website. From there you have to choose the appropriate file. If you are using Windows, then this is the one, and for Mac this one, and for Ubuntu Linux this one. I am using Mac operating system, so I am clicking this one to download the software. Now we have to download this software. Once the software is been downloaded, then we have to go to install it. To install it, for Mac or for Windows, there are kind of similar steps. It's very easy to install. Okay, once it has been installed, then go to the launchpad and find the application, and the application will open. Next step is we have to install the application in our phone as well. Okay, to install the application in the mobile phone, you have to go to App Store or the Play Store. From the App Store or the Play Store, search Iriun, and if you search this, then you can find Iriun webcam for PC, and you have to install this application. Okay, once you install the application and open it, now accept the terms and conditions given here and allow your camera to access, microphone to access by the application. Once you do this, then you will be able to open this screen. Okay, now the application has been installed in your phone, and the computer also have the required software. Both the computer and the mobile phone have the required software in it, so we can now connect. But to connect your phone with the computer, it is necessary that your phone and computer both are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. So make sure you connect both the things with the Wi-Fi network. Once you do this, now you can start recording from your phone, and you can use that for Zoom meetings or for any other webcam services. I hope this video helps you if you are struggling with the webcam issues, and you can make use of your phone as a webcam for your computer. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more useful tips like this in the near future. Thank you so much.